Hey there, students. This is Casey Lawrence, current administrator of East Coast Christian University, and today I'm going to show you how to navigate your courses inside of CampusSis. First step, as always, you're going to log into your student account. Then you'll come over here to the left, click Navigation Bar, and then click Student. Once inside, you'll click on the button that says My Courses. This will open up the list of any courses of yours that are still open and haven't been graded yet. If you want to review your grades for any courses you've completed, then you'll just click over here and click Enrollment History. So to go inside a class, you'll simply click on this button that says View. Now, all our courses on CampusSis typically have the same familiar layout, and I'm going to walk you through it. The first thing you'll always see is the section up here that says Syllabus. You'll actually be able to click on the syllabus for the class, and you'll see a preview of it in this pop-up window. Sometimes there'll also be other links underneath. Those will be any resources for the class that the instructor wants you to have. Sometimes you'll need those resources for an assignment, and other times they'll just be fun things for your benefit. Another standard that you'll always see inside of a class is this header that says Class Participation. Now, if you were to click on it, you'll notice there's nothing for you to do, and that's because the class participation is something your instructor fills in. The reason you see it, though, is so that way you're reminded to do it. It's a reminder to make sure you're in class or catching up on my chat if you haven't been there in person that week. Right underneath in this class example, we have a heading that says Class Project. Other times in a class, this will say something like 3-page essay or 2 paragraphs, whatever the instructor wants you to do. This type of an assignment has a document upload. So you would type out your paper using Word docs or some other document, and when you're finished with your paper, you would click on this button to upload it. Underneath, we have our quizzes. If you were to click on one of the quizzes, then you can enter it for the first time or reconnect. You can do it right here online. What's nice is that there is no time limit on your quizzes, so if you were to start your quiz on one day and then come back a couple days later, you'll be able to pick up right where you left off, no problem whatsoever. Finally, at the bottom, you'll see the video sessions. This is what you'll be able to click on to watch any classes that you've missed, or if you just want to go back and hear something again, you go here. If for some reason it doesn't show up, then you can click on this yellow bar right here, and it will take you straight to YouTube for you to watch the videos from there. If you're curious how you're doing so far in your class, up here you can click on this button that says Progress Report. I don't have anything right now since this is an example course, but if you had taken a couple of quizzes here and maybe done your paper, anything that's been graded, you can actually see your current weighted average right up here. So those are the basics of navigating inside the courses. I hope that was helpful, and I hope you guys have a great day.